Good afternoon, Captain Taylor here with SaltyScales.com. Welcome back to part 2 of our episode on how to rig, cut, or dead shrimp. Now I'm going to show you the 3 of my favorite techniques on how to rig dead shrimp. These are very productive, and if this is all you have, this is how I recommend doing it. So let's jump in, get you a closer look. Alright, first off, probably my favorite technique with cut shrimp or half shrimp would be to utilize the tail. And what you do is you cut it right in half and you run this hook right through the shrimp all the way through the tail and out near the base of the tail, and it rounds the hook and it almost looks as if it's a lure. So that is a very simple and effective technique. What it does is it allows pretty much the whole hook to be exposed, so you have a very good hookup ratio. Alright, now the second way that I like to rig, cut, or dead shrimp is with small pieces. This is very effective for things such as whiting, drum, also sheep's head. These are the things that I utilize, or this is the technique that I utilize when I'm using shrimp for those species. Alright, so you take your little piece of shrimp, you place it onto your barb of your hook, round it upwards until the barb comes out the back of the shell and it's exposed. And that's all you have to do. This is extremely effective for things like I said, a whiting, sheep's head, as long as you present them correctly. Now you will run into the occasional pinfish, pigfish, and smaller bait fish as well. Thirdly, it's just like I showed you in my first video where you break off the tail, dispose of the back end. Then what you do is you just run your hook from the back end, let it curve onto the hook, pull the barb through, and that is the end product here. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoyed this series on how to rig both live whole shrimp and dead cut bait. If you did, please give a thumbs up, share the video, comment below, and hey, subscribe for more. We got a bunch more to come. Till next time, I'll see you on the water.